The next few slides really are about the major theories or empirical research that I was able to find based on the instruction of vocabulary. And the first resource I really utilized was from our class textbook for this class from Tankersley. And he just talks about the different ways that teachers can approach teaching vocabulary. There are two ways to expand our vocabulary sets. We can learn new vocabulary indirectly through everyday experiences, or we can have someone directly teach or explain the meaning of a word to us. So really, it really stems from listening at the beginning, and that's really how our vocabularies are built from a young age. Developing and expanding a student's different vocabulary levels is a complex process that requires multiple exposures to words and their meanings. We need to focus on expanding our students' oral and listening vocabularies and then moving words from these vocabularies to students' reading and writing vocabularies. It is vital that we expand the content of the various vocabularies to include new words, their various definitions and usages, and the shades of meaning or connotations that are associated with each word.